I'm Pat, and welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm going to dye my hair silver using Arctic Fox Sterling hair dye. So keep watching and don't forget to wash your hands. Picked up this Sterling hair dye at Hot Topic. Let's read the instructions. Shampoo without conditioner and dry your hair. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so I have washed and dried my hair. And now it says use protective cream around your hairline. I'm not going to do that. Remove cap and inner liner. See the color. Yeah, and this stuff smells so strongly like grapes. I have been able to smell it through the bag, through the seal, through the cap, everything. It smells like Hubba Bubba bubblegum in the flavor grape. How that tastes, it's a very strong artificial grape flavor. Scent, not flavor. Wear protective gloves. Okay, next step. Apply color using gloves. We're going to apply the color using a tint brush and mixing bowl. Oh, the smell of grape is so strong. I grew up in the country, and in school they gave us fluoride rinse, and it was always grape flavored, and this is reminding me of grape fluoride mouth rinse.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so it says the next step is to apply it to your hair and leave color on for 30 minutes or longer. Okay, so I'm just going to paint this on all over my hair. Make sure you get behind your ears. I'm going to go ahead and set a timer for 30 minutes and I'll be back. What to do for 30 minutes? Something that you could do while you're waiting for your hair dye to develop is make a necklace out of gold paper clips. There we go. My necklace made of gold paper clips. This is looking really dark to me. So then you can just add another part and make it look really nice, Maybe, if it'll stay together. You can also upgrade your necklace by adding more paper clips. There you have it, my upgraded necklace.
346 minutes later.
Okay, so I washed my hair out and this is the final result. It is looking pretty dark on camera. Okay, so here's the hair all completed. Make sure you leave me a comment, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my new silver hair.